FIR, in that first report, that Pakistan is involved in that. Whereas on the contrary, we have been watching the clips of all those victims there in India on their channels. They said 1.5 hours their loved one were bleeding and nobody could for rescue to that very difficult terrain. But the police of India is so efficient that they found out in 10 minutes that who did it, how they did it, and Pakistan was fixed. But that is their strategy and policy, and I won't go into that detail. Yesterday there was a briefing from the Information Department of Pakistan and the ISPR. They were showing the clear evidences how Indian media, how Indian social media, how their hostile agencies have been doing what they have been doing to Pakistan. Every incident which took place in Pakistan, they were showing the details that Indian media and social media have stated 2 days back before, 24 hours before, an announcement on their social media run by their law enforcement agencies people that tomorrow or day after tomorrow or this date we should welcome, we should be ready to get the good news from Pakistan. And what that good news be? Turns out the Chinese were killed. Bomb blast took place. Rail accident, killing of those innocent people took place. All were preempted before those incidents.
थाना सदर आरिफवाला की हदूद में